Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove read-only restrictions in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document and we select the document text and we can see we cannot edit the document. Now we want to remove the read-only restriction in this document. Go to the File menu, then click the Protect Document, then select Mark as Final, then click OK, then save the file, then click OK, then click Edit Anyway, then go back the File menu again and click the Mark as Final, then click OK, then again click OK, then click Save. Now we can see we edit the file very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.